Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate the new moderation configuration flow. This will solve a lot of issues around how the customer configures moderation. It adds a lot of features. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start with a new app when a new customer signs up, and if he's looking for moderation, he will go to this policies page, which is a new page. So to create a new policy, just click on this button, choose the product that you need the moderation for. Let's choose chat. You can select specific channel type. I'm going to choose messaging, and on top of that you can also you can specify channel ID as well. So the moderation will only apply to that specific channel. In this case, I'm only going to choose the chat and messaging channel type. So I click on save and my policy is in place right now. So in the beginning, since customer doesn't have AI moderation, all the AI moderation related options will be disabled for that customer. Let's start with some block lists since it's part of the basic package. If you want to create a new block list or assign a block list to this policy, you can click here to add a new block list. You have all the available block list or pre-existing block list. For example, profanity, it's we provide that out of the box. You can choose to add it, or you can choose to create a new list yourself. I'm going to create, let's say, food list, which is just a list of words that I want to flag, and I'm going to say banana, cupcake, apples. So add, and there you go. So you have assigned the block list to this specific policy. Now I have this chat connected with this application. I'm just going to quickly try. Hey, I want a banana. Let's see what happens here. So the message is sent, and as you can see here in the moderation review queue, you have this message for review, which is blocked by the block list. Not blocked, but it's flagged, since that was the action that we chose. Next thing, if you want to enable any of these AI moderations, all you have to do, you can just press on this enable AI button. You will see a modal where it says you get 10,000 free messages for moderation. You click accept, and congratulations, so you have enabled AI moderation. Now you have access to all these AI harm engines, image video moderation, semantic filters. Let's see, I'm going to enable, you have basically a lot of harms here. You can choose to expand as well, and you can specify action on any of these harms. For the purpose of this demo, I will choose flag action on, or I will choose actually block action on terrorism. I will confirm. Now, every time I change something in this policy, I don't want to go to chat and again send some useless message just to confirm whether the moderation works or not. So to solve this problem, we have this test moderation flow. So here you can basically enter some text. You can specify some image as well. Right now, I don't have any image flags assigned, so I'm going to assign certain flags to nudity. I press confirm. And now let's try. So I click on this test policy. I write my message, which I want to check whether how this would react to our moderation policy. I'm attaching certain image URL, and I press the test button, and it will show you all the results. Basically, policy compliance result was that if you try to send this message within chat or any of your product where the moderation is configured, it's going to be blocked, because bodyguard flagged it as terrorism, and the image moderation, it gave these kind of results. It detected these classifications, like there's a female swimwear, there's non-explicit nudity, etc., etc. So this helps with testing the moderation policy. That's pretty cool. Next, sorry, here. Next, now if you want to simply copy the whole configuration that you just did into a separate channel type, you have the option to duplicate as well. So you press on duplicate policy. I will choose again chat, and this time I will assign the same policy to gaming channel type. I save, and there you go. We assign terrorism as block, we assign all these as flag. And so yeah, it's very easy to duplicate the policy. So if you have a channel type gaming, this policy will be applied there. Next thing, if you now generally when customer configures moderation, they will start with our dev application, right? And they will do all the configuration, and after that, if they want to copy the whole setup to a separate app, they can choose to copy to a different app as well. In this case, I'm going to just copy this to Adi Test Mumbai, and it's pretty clever. It's going to copy all the block list, all the semantic filters list for you, and all the configuration as well. So now if I go to Adi Test Mumbai, I should see there's this chat gaming, and if I open this, it's the exact same configuration which we did on the previous app. So that works as well. Let me go to my app. Okay, so that's that. Another option is you can choose to delete the policy as well. On top of that, on this policies page, you can see some basic overview of how the policy is configured. For example, there is some AI text moderation enabled, there is some image moderation enabled, how many block lists you have, how many regex lists you have, how many semantic filters you have configured. So you get the entire overview here. Similarly, if you're not using our chat product and you have your own content management system or product, and you want to implement moderation without using our chat or feeds, you can choose to create custom key policy as well. I'm just going to my test product. So I chose the product as custom. I assigned some ID to it. I'm going to press save, and there you go. So we have the policy with the key called custom my test product, and you can configure whatever you want. And after this, it's basically you can use this check API that we have, moderation check endpoint. Here you have to provide the config key, which will be custom my test product, and it will give you the result that what should be the moderation action. Basically, it will return you the recommended action. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you.